Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 1 minute chemistry series. Concepts with quick understanding. How to find the shape of the molecule. We are going to see steric number. From that we are going to predict the structure of the molecule. Normally this formula comes from VSEPR theory. You should find steric number. Steric number is H equals V plus B minus E whole divided by 2. The lone pair will be H minus B. V stands for valency, B stands for bonded atom, C is charge. The repulsion you should know. Lone pair repulsion is high, lone pair, then bond pair come. And you should know the fact that size of the atom always greater than size of electron, so it don't contribute to the structure. From the H, you will find hybridization and shape of the molecule. Here I give an example PCl4 minus. We will find the structure from that formula. Here we will find V and B first. Valency of phosphorus is 5. Chlorine atoms are 4. You have minus charge. If you substitute in the formula, you have 10 by 2, 5. H is 5. H5 means sp3d, trigonal bipyramidal. But you have one lone pair, which is H minus B equals 1. So geometry, if you look at it with one lone pair mean, it will be like Caesar. The 3D animation and diagram will help you. The structure really look like Caesar.